The CMACEWHEEL EM20 is a compact, folding electric bike designed for adults who want a balance of portability, comfort, and reliable performance for daily commuting or casual rides. Powered by a 350-watt rear brushless motor, it delivers a smooth and quiet ride with a top speed of 25 kilometers per hour. The motor uses a star gear design to enhance torque and energy efficiency, helping extend the bike's cruising range while improving hill climbing ability and maintaining low energy consumption. Its 36V 12Ah lithium battery is integrated into the frame for a sleek look and better protection. With an IP65 waterproof rating, it's built to withstand splashes and light rain, ensuring durability in various weather conditions. On a single charge, pedal assist mode can take you up to 55 kilometers, providing enough range for most urban commutes or weekend leisure rides. Riding control is made easy with the smart color LCD display, which combines a gear switch, real-time cycling data, and power output settings into one user-friendly interface. This allows you to monitor your speed, distance, battery level, and adjust assistance levels without distraction. For stopping power, the EM20 is equipped with hydraulic brakes, giving you responsive and consistent braking in both dry and wet conditions. The 7-speed gear system adds flexibility, letting you adapt to flat roads, light inclines, or faster-paced rides with ease. The 20-inch wheel size strikes a balance between agility and stability, while the folding frame design makes storage and transport convenient, perfect for riders who live in tight spaces or need to take their bike onto public transport. With its efficient motor, integrated battery, intelligent controls, and compact foldable build, the CMACEWHEEL EM20 is a practical, stylish, and versatile e-bike that fits seamlessly into an urban lifestyle while still being ready for light recreational adventures.